Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Tonight, we're going to take the stress out of your weeknight dinners with 10 quick and easy weeknight dinner ideas. Say goodbye to the dilemma of what to cook after a long day, because we've got some mouth-watering and time-saving recipes that will have you and your family coming back for seconds. If you find these recipes helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious ideas. Now, let's get cooking. Number 1. 1 pan lemon herb chicken with veggies. In a world filled with hectic weeknights, our 1 pan lemon herb chicken with veggies comes to the rescue as a time-saving and scrumptious dinner option. With just 1 pan and minimal prep, you can have a wholesome and flavorful meal on the table in no time. The combination of tender chicken breasts, baby potatoes, green beans, and cherry tomatoes creates a colorful and nutrient-packed dish that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the taste buds. The secret lies in the lemony herb-infused marinade that elevates the flavors and infuses the chicken and veggies with a delightful zing. As the oven works its magic, your kitchen will be filled with the inviting aroma of roasted goodness, promising a satisfying and hassle-free dinner for you and your loved ones. Number 2. 15-minute shrimp scampi pasta. Craving a restaurant-quality meal without the lengthy preparation? Look no further than our 15-minute shrimp scampi pasta, a mouth-watering pasta dish that's ready in a flash. With succulent shrimp sautéed in a buttery garlic sauce, this recipe captures the essence of gourmet dining right at your kitchen counter. The combination of tender shrimp, al dente linguine, and a pinch of red pepper flakes creates a tantalizing symphony of flavors that'll have you coming back for more. The addition of white wine and fresh lemon juice imparts a delightful tang to the dish, perfectly balancing the richness of the sauce. In no time, you'll find yourself indulging in a bowl of sheer comfort and elegance, making this a surefire hit for any weeknight dinner. Number 3. Veggie stir-fry with teriyaki sauce. For a quick, vibrant, and healthy weeknight dinner, our veggie stir-fry with teriyaki sauce is a winner. This colorful medley of fresh vegetables is a celebration of flavors and textures that's sure to please even the pickiest eaters. The secret to this dish's speed lies in the art of stir-frying, allowing the vegetables to retain their crispness and natural sweetness. As you drizzle the savory teriyaki sauce over the veggies, each bite becomes an explosion of umami goodness. Served over a bed of steamed rice or noodles, this stir-fry offers a complete and balanced meal that'll leave you feeling nourished and satisfied in no time. With its versatility, you can switch up the vegetables based on what's in your fridge, making this a go-to recipe that'll keep things exciting on your weeknight menu. Number 4. Pesto grilled cheese sandwich. Sometimes, all you need is a quick and comforting sandwich to save the day, and our pesto grilled cheese sandwich does just that. It's a delightful twist on the classic grilled cheese that takes things up a notch in terms of taste and ease of preparation. With just a few simple ingredients, including store-bought pesto, your favorite cheese, and slices of bread, you can create a gourmet sandwich in a matter of minutes. The buttery, golden brown exterior encases the gooey, melted cheese, while the pesto adds a burst of aromatic basil and nutty goodness. With each bite, you'll be treated to a symphony of flavors that will transport you to a culinary paradise. Whether you're cooking for yourself or looking to please the whole family, this pesto grilled cheese sandwich is a guaranteed winner, ensuring that your weeknights end on a deliciously cheesy note. Number 5. Speedy beef tacos. Spice up your weeknights with speedy beef tacos that the whole family will love. In a skillet, brown ground beef with taco seasoning, garlic, and onions. Once cooked, spoon the flavorful beef into warm tortillas and top with shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, cheese, and a dollop of sour cream. These tacos are a burst of Tex-Mex flavors and are guaranteed to bring smiles to your dinner table. Number 6. Baked pesto salmon. Want something fancy without the fuss? Baked pesto salmon is the answer. Place salmon fillets on a baking sheet and spread a layer of basil pesto over the top. Bake until the salmon is tender and flaky. This dish is not only elegant, but also loaded with healthy omega-3 fatty acids, making it a delightful and nutritious option for your weeknight dinners. Number 7. Creamy garlic Parmesan pasta. Creamy garlic Parmesan pasta is an absolute crowd pleaser and takes just minutes to whip up. Cook your favorite pasta until al dente. Then in a saucepan, melt butter and saute garlic until fragrant. Add heavy cream, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper, and let the sauce simmer until it thickens. Toss the cooked pasta in this luscious sauce, and you have a simple yet indulgent dinner that will keep everyone happy. Number 8. Sheet Pan Fajitas. Sheet Pan Fajitas are a colorful and flavorful option that's a breeze to make. Arrange sliced bell peppers, onions, and chicken or steak strips on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with fajita seasoning. Roast until the meat is cooked through and the veggies are caramelized. Serve with warm tortillas and your favorite toppings for a customizable and satisfying meal. Number 9. Caprese Salad with balsamic glaze. In the mood for a light and refreshing dinner? Try a Caprese salad with balsamic glaze. Arrange fresh mozzarella slices, juicy tomatoes, and basil leaves on a plate. Drizzle with balsamic glaze and a dash of olive oil. This salad is a celebration of simplicity. It's a perfect choice for hot summer nights or when you want something quick, healthy, and delicious. Number 10. Loaded sweet potato. Last but not least, we have the ever-versatile loaded sweet potato. Simply bake sweet potatoes until tender, then slice them open and stuff with your favorite toppings like black beans, avocado, salsa, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. This hearty and nutritious dinner is a delightful balance of sweet and savory, making it a surefire hit for your weeknight rotation. And there you have it, 10 quick and easy weeknight dinner ideas that will save you time and fill your home with incredible aromas. We hope these recipes inspire you to try something new and delicious during your busy weeknights. Let us know which one you're excited to try first, or if you have any other quick dinner ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes.